Okay. You go to the store and get WD-40. Get one with the arm up like that. You can do it that way. Or if you need to stick this hose on the top, see that little yellow button? You can pull that out and put it in there. Or if you don't need that, you don't have to pull that out. You can just spray through there. Isn't that kind of slick? Oh, so I'm gonna see what I can do about that. That goes a lot better. Okay. Okie-dokie. I don't think this is hitting the side, but I'm just gonna tap it out just a little bit. I got plenty of clearance there. Now to measure to see how big I need it without hitting the edges. 4.5 probably. 4.5 inches. And I want to go all the way up there. I'm going to say 4.5 by 4.5. Right above that little notch there. And I'm thinking the other one's going to be needing to be like that too. So let's just see what I can do with this piece. Oh, I can hardly see that. I can kind of see it because it's a little bit lighter color than the black. Yeah, I can see that. Four and a half by 4.5, so I might as well mark this top too. Okay. And it's thin enough that I should be able to cut it with my tin snips. Yeah, see there? Now if I had a brand new set of tin snips, would I want to use them for this? I don't know. You know what I mean? Let's see if I can get this cut. Okay, here's my piece here. Okay, and I'm gonna just hold it up here. Let's see how it fits. So it's kind of bent just slightly at the end. See, nothing is going to be able to crawl through that. No siree, bub. Now let's see. Look at that. I could just leave that right like that. Put a screw in on both sides, and that's gonna have it covered. I'm gonna slide it over just a little bit, like to there. Let's see, I think I'm gonna cut it just a hair short so that it doesn't get in the way of the little swiveler thing. So let's see if I can do this here. I'm just gonna trim it off a little bit. Guess it doesn't matter which side I trim, huh? As long as I remember which way to put it back up there. I'm gonna cut it off about 1/4 inch. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now I gotta remember to go up that way. This way is going to be the sideways. This side's going to go up. So 4 1/4. I'll make the next one. Okay. Now, let's see. Put that up there. Yeah, that's better. Because I got it up so high. It's right next to that. Okay, so I think that's going to stay just like that. And let's get down here. And see. I think I'm going to use... boy, that head is just barely gonna cover, but I think that'll work. Or I got some short ones with a little bit bigger head. I think the small head will actually work, but with the bigger one, I could use the big ones. Actually, let me try. I'll try the small ones first, and then if it strips out of the metal or something, then at least I can go with the bigger one. And see, initially I was worried about this small one hitting the flapper, but I'm going to be putting it over on the sides, beyond the flapper. Now, before I do that, I can take my scratch awl. And I can get it up in there and just tap on it to make a starter hole. Let's say, that did it too. It's got my starter hole in there. I probably wouldn't have had to have done that. That metal's not very thick. We'll try the next one without a starter hole, shall we? Okay. Now I don't want to go too much with that because I could strip it out. Okay. And I'm going to use the other one here. Just tap that up a little, right about there. Do this one without a starter. Okay, and let's instead of tightening it up with that, I'm just going to use my Phillips screwdriver. Okay. Because see, if you go too far, it starts spinning, because this is just pop metal. Okay. There. That's it. That's all I have to do. And that sucker is fixed. Get you up in there. You see where I got the screws? Put one over here, one over there. This thing never closes all, is never going to close all the way. If I really wanted to, I could put another screw there at the bottom. But I don't think anything's going to crawl up there. See where the pipe starts? Up in there. See? Like that. If I really wanted to, if you're concerned, you can put another screw there. But see, those heads cover. They're fine. Nothing is ever going to go in there. And that way, if you ever need to have somebody come out here and clean your dryer vent or your exhaust fan duct vent, all you have to do is take these two screws out, take this metal out of there. No way anything is going to chew that up. Now see, they had some other stuff at the store. It was thinner than that. It was kind of vinyl. They'll chew through that. Or very thin aluminum screen. This stuff is pretty stout. Okay, that's it. So now I'm done. Other than the fact that I need to do that one over there. Okay, so let's do that one. This one will go pretty smooth, and I'm pretty sure that one's the same size as this one, but I'm not going to make any assumptions. Okay, go over there and measure. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.